Hello Professor, this is Vishal Chawda and here I am presenting my assignment 2, and the first thing I want to show you is my layout page. And my name is Vishal Chawda, student ID 200520835, my course, and my assignment is the functionality of the calculator. So on the next one here I am going and I'm just running the emulator first, and then I will explain my code and all. So the first one, I'm starting with the numbers 1 2 3 4 5. My backscape button is also working with that, and my other buttons also working with that, and I'm using all clear. So for the zero chart, it's the same. My float button is also working like 0 dot 0 0 0 5, same as there. Now I will show you the operator buttons which is working. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, all clear. Then the 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, same. Then 1, sorry, I will go with the 6 into 5 is equal to 30, same with the okay, 9 divided by 3 is gonna be 3. The same button is working as well. And as you said that if like 4.5.5 divide by 5, then it must be show us 1.1. Also, so my button, and now I'm going with the percentage. So 500 percentage of 10, so it's gonna be 15, as like same thing. So all the my operator buttons are working with that. And now I will go with the complex solutions like board mass. So as you give us an example like the 1 plus 2 divide by 3.5 multiply by 5, it shows us the same result as you said, and this is the round off. I don't know how it's round off as well. So, and for it also shows me the 8 decimal points as you will see. And for the more, it's not allowing me more than put the 8 numbers as well. So my code is running only for the 8 digit as well. So my number operator, all the functions are working, 0 as well. And yeah, my all the functions are working nicely, and there is no more further displaying. Now I will explain you my code one by one. So I'm closing my calculator. So the same, I use the calculator, like I create on the main activity, I created the second class for the calculator, and for that I construct them on calculator. So here is my code. So for the first, I will show you the variables like binding. There is a result row, which is the upper section of my thing, and the current operator which is working on it. So value 1 and value 2. Whenever I put the value like value 1, it takes value 1 and value 2. Also, I created like I initiate all the ones. First the create button reference, same or same like all, and then for the number buttons like decimal points, 0, like for the decimal points it's I can consider it's a number button. And for the operator buttons, now for the operator buttons, first is all clear, so it goes to directly to clear. So and here is my clear function. So you will see like they always starts with result is 0. So the binding, it will show on the screen 0, and the result row, whenever I put like any expression full, and it shows me a 0 with that. So it starts with the blank and then it's gonna be continued. And for the next one, a backspace, so it dropped the last button. Same with the result row and same with the my result expression as well. So the same logic with that, plus minus, I multiply by minus 1 and 1. So if it's a plus, then it's going to be minus, then it's minus, then it's going to be plus. And for the result row, to prefix that, then I remove the minus and I remove the minus and it starts with the minus. So if the result row starts with the minus, then it's remove whenever I click the plus minus, and else it has the same as three, and same as like it consider the minus first. Then the equal, like for the equal, the evaluation function. So there are the other things as well in the working. I will take show you later by on it. So for the next one, it's a and then the else command. For the else command, I use all the operators in that, like my plus, minus, multiply, divide, and all the percentage button. If you cannot put these ones will work at easily. So for there is a evaluation function. So this is tokenized function. So the private function, I express the string and list. So variable of the array of list, the numbers over here, and this is the operators. So if the number is not empty, then token added number, like that, and token to the character to the string. If the each string is not empty, then token add a number, like the next button is a putting on the last, same thing. And for the evaluation of the token, evaluate the tokens, like the numbers evaluation, like the for that, for the using bird mass, for the bird mass I created two, the higher proceed operators and the intermediate tokens. So there are the two functions, like the higher proceed operators, and this is the where it is, yeah. Okay, yeah, here it is, intermediate tokens, like the plus and minus for that. Yeah, hint intermediate tokens, operators, intermediate tokens, yeah. So for the first thing, for higher, like it always like if I have a string on the row, it will be always proceed with the star first, and then star, divide and the percentage first, then the other operations. Like the I initiate with the zero, while I its size is a zero. If token is in a high percentage, I use then variable -1 to double, like if the I want to put the double, and then the following percentage for the calculate percentage. Here is my logic for the calculator, like calculate percentage for that. And the same thing, like I use the when, so there is a else. If it's not working on that, then it shows the unknown operator for the token I, and then the same thing which I explaining over here. Same the var result, and this is same with the like the lower operator, the plus and minus, they will proceed. And then the for the any buttons who work, like if button has answer is a 0 1.0, then it always show me the 1. Here's the logic for that. And the same thing for the 8-digit answers only, I put the string format like that, percentage of 8f the value, and I trim that with the 0, and answer only print in 8 digits, like that. And here it is. So I'm closing down over here. Thank you, professor.